Nigeria Airlines is fast becoming a key player in Nigerian aviation. What's the driving vision behind your journey so far?
So this is Professor Obiora Okonkwo, the founder and owner of United Nigeria Airline. United Nigeria Airline is one of the foremost airlines we have in Nigeria. So the founder and the CEO visited Dame Irene Memorial Hospital in Oraifite, Anambra State. The reason for the visit is because United Nigeria Airline and Sir Irene Okwuosa Foundation and Dame Irene Memorial Hospital are official partners when it comes to carrying out this annual open heart surgery mission. So Professor Obiora Okonkwo visited and he said so many interesting and inspiring things, which you will definitely love to hear. Listen to him as he was taken on a short interview.
Nigeria Airlines is fast becoming a key player in Nigerian aviation. What's the driving vision behind your journey so far?
To offer service to the people and bridge the gap. In our vision, it's a catalyst that enables other economic growth. So we saw that it's a gap that must have to be filled. Then we moved it. And being a patriotic person, we're driven by the fact that if we don't do it for our country, who else will do it? So we enjoy what we're doing, and we only pray that the environment will be more conducive for us to do that without much pain and stress.
Okay, so what drove you to support this cause?
Well, it is in line with our core values. We know that health is very critical, and we also know that anything Sir Irene Okwuosa has its name is a worthy cause. As a matter of fact, we got involved just by phone call, without doubting whether it is really or not. So we had already committed and started the partnership before we even got here. But having come here and seen what's on ground is beyond our imagination. So that will in many ways quadruple already the ratio of our support and partnership.
So how does this partnership align with your core values?
It is because I can see honesty, I can see selfless service, and I can see also great sacrifice. That's what we're doing. That's what drives our corporate social responsibility.
So how would you describe the role of private sector collaboration in advancing healthcare access, especially for rural areas and underserved people in Nigeria?
It is very critical. This is a good example. And I want to believe that there are so many private sector participants who are ready to support stuff like this, except that government has to play more role to give them reason to. And here, being here, I've seen the roads and done by Sir Irene Okwuosa. Light provided by Sir Irene Okwuosa. Security paid for by Sir Irene Okwuosa. Water paid for by Sir Irene Okwuosa. It is not acceptable. This is in a town, this is in a local government, this is in a state. For this thing to be sustained, there must be a footprint of local government and the state. That's the only way it can be solved. But there's so much one individual can do. It could be very demanding. I know how it is because we get involved in other areas at different levels.
So far, your partnership with us has been amazing. I mean, like I said earlier, in what other ways do you envision a long-time partnership with United Airlines and Sir Irene Okwuosa Foundation, particularly in supporting future medical missions?
So now our team actually who have the responsibility to manage the relationship have been here earlier now. So I am here to see by myself in the company of Papilo, and that has given me more insight to the need. I've also spoken with the foundation managers, the founder, and also the visiting volunteers. So we now better understand what they need, and we will do all the needful in our team to ensure that not all the promises made on this trip are kept, but subsequently that we do more for them to feel our impact. That is for sure.
Okay, one last question. What message would you like to share with healthcare professionals, volunteers, and partners involved in this mission?
Well, my message is that there's no much word that will come from me or any individual or gift item. That I've come with my palm wine, special palm wine that I give people I love and care for to encourage them. But I know that is not enough. Only God Almighty will reward them. That's my prayer. They should not be discouraged. Sometimes there will be some obstacles, there will be some challenges and inconveniences. Let them see that as part of it. But they should not give up, because the more they have done is great, but the more they will do will also encourage others.
Okay, thank you so much.